Check out this 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: power steering, power door locks, 4-wheel disc brakes, power driver seat, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, and ABS. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.